New to video creation? AI makes it easy. No skills needed. Visit our website for simple guides to create your first AI video today.
Hey fellows, let's create a short video and upload it to YouTube in 3 minutes. I'm going to first ask ChatGPT to give me some ideas to generate a high-retention viral short. And as you can see, it provides me with 5 cool ideas. I'm going to pick the first option and tell ChatGPT to write a complete prompt to generate the video on Grok. Then I just copy the whole prompt and paste it on Grok directly. Make sure you are on the Imagine section to create the videos. We just wait for the video to be completed and bingo! This is cute. I could go back and regenerate as many times I wish, but I quite like this result, so let's move on.
Okay guys, now that we have the short video, let's make some editing on CapCut's site. I'm using my Gmail account to access. Let's create an Instagram blank template. I will add out short video and our logo mark. See how simple it is? I think 5 seconds is a little bit short. See how I will extend it by adjusting the speed? I cut my video and then slow it down a bit. See how simple it is? I want to also add a subscribe button. See how I use the tools bar for this? I'd better use a more red button. This is so cute! What you think?
Now it's turn for our Chingon star.
Grandpa Chingon reporting here. Okay, let's get this done, folks. Don't forget to export the video once you edited, so it's ready to be uploaded to social networks. Afterwards, open YouTube and click directly on Create Upload Video. Make sure to write an attractive title. Remember, you can ask ChatGPT to help you with that and help you write a good description for the video, too. Make sure to also add tags for your video. You can ask that to ChatGPT, too. Isn't it amazing, guys? Once you are done with all this, publish the video and stat sharing on your other social networks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe.